Hello and welcome to this short Numeritas guide on using the EOMonth or end of month formula. This is a simple but very useful formula which can be used in your models to create a flexible timeline. The syntax of the formula is simply to find the end month of the date and then add as many months as required. Therefore, the two arguments for the formula are the start date and the number of months. In this example, we have input the number of months per period for our timeline, 3. Therefore, the formula in cell D5 takes the model start date and adds 3 months. 0 would give the end of the current month, therefore we have to take 1 away to adjust the input cell. If we wanted to change the timeline to be a monthly timeline, we can simply change the input cell to 1 month periodicity. For an annual timeline, we can change to 12. I hope you found this video on the end of month function helpful. Thanks for watching.